what I'm going to be covering is the 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 Telegram structure and how we use it, and then some of the trades. And I think Ike has been sharing with you guys some of the criteria and everything that we use in there. So let's start here with the chat group. So the chat group, and just just full transparency here, guys. This is the stock service that we put together after we had an option service, for a couple of years, almost 3 years now that we've had that going. And so we decided to, segment and create a stock service. And so you hear, the trade group, the trader lounge and those kind of comments. Those are really from the options group. Okay. And I'll share a little bit of that, with you today, but it's that, I'm here to make sure that you guys understand, the STS trading area and how we use it. Okay, so let's get into it here. All right. So first of all, as you can see here, we have we have one chat group, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 channels, right? And these are for individual trades, and then the stock picks single channel here is for updating your credit card information, canceling, adding channels, those kinds of things you can do there in that stock picks channel. And I'll give you a view of what you guys are looking at to make sure that we're on the same page here. Okay, so let me cross over there. So my pseudonym is Dan Anderson. Okay, and so here it is. So this is what you guys see. Okay, so you can see where my posts are, etc. So the first thing I want to share with you is the channel and how they're comprised. You can see here a little pin, right? So that means there's a pin message in here, and if I click that pin, it will take me to all the pin messages that we have in here. So it gives us some announcements that we have, and we probably need to probably close these. But in any case, these are, and it gives you it's supposed to give you the way that we manage, what's supposed to go on in the chat channel. Since we have one here, right? You can talk about anything and anything in the chat channel. Okay, until we get much larger, where we might have to segment and create different chat channels to make sure that we're that we're focused on what we're doing. Okay, so here again, you can see the posted messages here, and when we post a message, it gives out an announcement. Okay, so let's go into the small caps. So every channel now has Google Sheets, right? That provides performance. Okay, and you can click on these sheets, and you will see the performance that we have for each of the different strategies, right? So going back, so if you click on this, right, it just goes to this sheet, and because there's no pin here, it means there's only one message. Okay, when you see a pin, there's multiple messages behind there. So I'm going to the dividend portfolio. There's one message, one spreadsheet here that's pinned. Portfolio builder, we have one here as well. And again, behind these pinned messages, there are Google Sheets that show the performance of our trades. Here's the RSI trade, is only one here. Wheel trade, now we have two, because we have the short term, and I need to change the name here. This is the let me see which one it is. Okay, so this is the short term, and this is the long term. Okay, and we'll change the name to make sure that it's clear. So we have two in this one channel. It's the only channel that has that, right? So when you go to stock picks, again, you see the channels that you can join. right? And then you can click plans at the bottom, and it'll show you the plans that we have. Okay, and again, this is going to change probably today. And then I click status, and that gives you the explanation of the different rooms, and or the different information on each of the channels and chat groups, and the groups that you can actually go into. Now, for some reason, I have this active investor here. It shouldn't be here. The name should have changed, and I was trying to figure it out this morning for a little bit, but I couldn't figure it out. But I'll have to work on that. But that's actually the I'm not sure why that's still there. I have to figure it out. But in any case, you should have access to all of these channels, since there's only one subscription for this. Okay. And let's go back to let's see here. So I said you can cancel in here. So let me see. Oh, okay. You can't, because it doesn't show it here, because I created a lifetime subscription. So in this case, you can't see the credit card update or the cancellation, because it's a lifetime subscription here, and it's just for me and my purposes to share. All right, but when you go into this channel, you'll see that for yourselves. All right, okay. So that's that. Are any questions so far on it? Okay. Have y'all had a chance to look at the portfolios in there or the spreadsheets at all? Okay, great. Yep, perfect. Okay. And if you have any questions at all, you can either put them in the chat group or direct message us. Okay. And the way that you direct message me, you just you can actually, let me see here. Yeah, you can find me here. Here's my username, and if you type a message, using my username, it'll send me a direct message in Telegram. Let's see here. I think that's it for this. Okay, and then with respect to RSI trade, we do. Graham, you'll see that towards the end of the day. What usually happens with the RSI trade is that Ike will take the scan, and then I'll take a look at it around 3 o'clock first, and then we wait until about 3:30 to post it, because things sometimes change between 3 and 3:30. And then I'll take a look at it, and I'll basically share what I'm going to trade, either a sell or a buy, and notify you guys, before 3:45 when that happens. Okay. So and again, we're gonna be posting these now on a daily basis. It doesn't mean that I'm going to be taking every single trade, just because there are certain requirements that I have, to not go over in terms of my capital for this particular trade. But it's something that you guys can take, and if you know the process already, you can take trades on your own. And if you have any questions after that, we can help you with those trades and what to do. Okay, for that. Okay, and just a quick show here. We do have another side. It's the stock side, and let me show that to you guys real quick. So this is the stock side that we have. So we have actually 3 chat groups, and I don't see. Do I see all the trades here? Futures, yeah. Premium, yeah, they're all here. So we have 3 chat groups and 4 channels for our different types of trades in there. Okay, and if you're interested in looking at that, I can share. We have a wait list on that, and I can share that with you too. Just let me know. Okay, so that's that. And okay, any other questions? Would you mind showing again how we DM? Oh, okay. So if you do this, I'll show you here. So I'll do an at symbol, and here's my name right here, right? And then let me see here. So let me see if you want to at now. Okay, that's just the no. Okay, so you basically click on my name, and then send a message, and it'll open up a message here that you can talk to me. That's how you can do it, and you can do that with Ike, and you can do that with anyone else in the group. Basically, you can direct message them. Any other questions? Okay, Ike, did you have anything that you wanted to share?
No, I don't. I just that, and you covered the RSI list that we'll put out. I'll put it out to the gang about the final list about 3:45
Okay.
to the world. And what I'll do is I'll take a picture of what I have and just post it. And certain days, though, guys, when we have like a deep pullback, I mean, there's a lot of them. I mean, it's a pretty big watch list. And I'll just probably post the top 20 or so because I can't imagine anybody's going to be doing more of than that. And they are rank sorted. Um, the best are on the top. Now, the other thing I would advise you about these trades is you will you will see a lot of vector vest columns and stuff on there because that's who I use to run the scan. But what I was going to say is when you look to the far right, it's got the industries and sector on there. Um, so try not to load too much on any one industry or sector when you're taking these trades. Not, it's just good trading practice.
Okay. Yeah, and just talking about RSI, I had bought BNTX. It looks like we're gonna be selling that today. Let me see. BNTX. Yeah, it's above the 5 EMA already. So that's gonna be a winner. Looks like. Okay. If we want to learn more about strategy, just go to the appropriate section. Did you set there learning section? Okay, you guys. You know what? I need to make sure that you guys have access to our education area, um, and I'll look at that today. So you should have gotten. No, we may not attached it to this group. So, but I'll do that. I'll do that. I'll do that today and make sure we do that. Set it up. So we do have a learning section. I just need to attach it to this group. Okay. Any other questions? All right. So if you do, you know where to reach us, and that's what I wanted to share. And if you have any questions or concerns, just reach out to us, and we'll try to answer any questions that you have. All right. All right, guys. Thank you. Have a good one.